Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. The question is, it takes 2 liters to paint the surface of a solid sphere. If this solid sphere is sliced into 4 identical pieces, how many liters will be required to paint all the surfaces of these 4 pieces? So, surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r squared. Now, it takes 2 liters to paint 4 pi r squared. Now, since the solid sphere is sliced into 4 identical pieces, therefore total surface area of 4 pieces is equal to 2 into 4 pi r squared, that is 8 pi r squared. Therefore, paint required is equal to 2 by 4 pi r squared into 8 pi r squared. Pi r squared cancels out, and 8 divided by 4 gives us 2, so 2 into 2 is equal to 4 liters. So the correct option is option D. The next question is, every day a person walks at a constant speed v1 for 30 minutes. On a particular day, after walking for 10 minutes at v1, he rested for 5 minutes. He finished the remaining distance of his regular walk at a constant speed v2 in another 30 minutes. On that day, find the ratio of v2 and his average speed. Let total distance covered by total time taken including resting time. So, let the distance covered at v1 speed in 30 minutes bx. Therefore, distance covered at v1 in 10 minutes is equal to x by 3. The remaining distance is covered at v2 in 30 minutes. Now, 2x by 3 is covered in 30 minutes at v2. Therefore, time taken to cover x at v2 is equal to 30 by 2 by 3x into x is equal to 45 minutes. Therefore, required ratio is equal to x by 45 by x by 10 plus 5 plus 30, which is equal to 45 is to 45, that is 1 is to 1. So the correct option is option A.